Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the mathematicsrose channel. Here we are going to differentiate of inverse trigonometric function by first principle. So now I am taking the question. First, find the differential coefficient or derivative of sine inverse x with respect to x from first principle or delta method or ab initio method. So let solution. Let y is equal to sine inverse x. Now we are taking sine in this side, so sine y is equal to x. This is taken as 1. Taking delta x, take delta x and delta y are small increments in x and y respectively. So now sine y can be written as y plus delta y is equal to, in place of x we will write x plus delta x. This is taken as equation number 2. Now what you have to do, from equation number 2 you will have to subtract equation 1. So in this way you will subtract, here you will subtract in this way, here this not this you will subtract. So sine y plus delta y minus sine y is equal to x plus delta x minus x. 2 और ये 1 है, इसको इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, इसको इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. So now sine y plus delta y minus sine y is equal to x will cancelled out, so delta x, this will come. So now as you know that this is taken as equation number 3. Divide equation number 3 by delta y, not delta x, delta y, because delta x we haven't found. So divide here, divide this by delta y. So sine y plus delta y minus sine y upon delta y is equal to delta x upon delta y. Okay. Now this is in the form of sine c minus sine d, and as you know that sine c minus sine d, it is equal to twice cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. So we will use the formula over here. So twice cos y plus delta y plus y upon 2 into sine y plus delta y minus y upon 2 whole divided by delta y, and here in the right hand side delta x upon delta y. Now here plus 5 minus 5 will cancel out, and now reversing this, the whole equation, we will just reversing to find delta y by delta x, because it is in delta x form by delta y. So reversing ulat neighbor, so delta y upon delta x, it is equal to this will delta y डी वाई जो है ऊपर चल जाएगा, ये पूरा नीचे आ जाएगा, ठीक है, ये पूरा नीचे आ जाएगा। तो देखिए ट्वाइस कॉस वाई प्लस वाई लिख रहे हैं वैसे ही ताकि कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं हो, अपॉन 2 साइन डेल्टा वाई अपॉन 2, और ये डेल्टा वाई ऊपर चला गया था और यहाँ पे डेल्टा वाई बाई 2 है, तो साइन थीटा बाई थीटा का फॉर्म में लाना है इसको, तो यहाँ से 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, ये 2 आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा। एक चीज़ और जानिए, लिमिट थीटा टेंस टू 0 थीटा बाई साइन थीटा इट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 1, ये भी होगा। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग आ जाए, लिमिट ले लेते हैं इसमें, इक्वेशन 4 एज डेल्टा एक्स टेंस टू 0 implies delta y also tends to 0। जब डेल्टा एक्स टेंस टू 0 होगा तो डेल्टा वाई अपना वो भी टेंस टू 0 होगा, बिकॉज डेल्टा वाई इज द डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल on x। So limit here we will take delta x tends to 0, यहाँ पे लेंगे delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x, and here you will write limit when delta x tends to 0 delta y also tends to 0. So both I have written so that there will be no confusion. So this delta y upon 2 by cos y plus y 2y plus delta y upon 2 into sine delta y upon 2, and here we will write limit delta y tends to 0. This can be written, this and this will be written together, delta y upon 2 by sine delta y by 2 into limit, इसको देख लीजिए, now limit delta y tends to 0 1 upon cos 2y plus delta y by 2 into, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा देखिए कितना, उसके बाद ये जो है लिमिट थीटा टेंस टू 0 थीटा बाई साइन थीटा, ये पूरा चीज़ क्या हो जाएगा 1 हो जाएगा, ये 1 इंटू यहाँ पे 1 अपॉन पुट डेल्टा वाई टेंस टू 0, so in place of delta y put 0, so cos 2y plus 0 upon 2, so 2 will cancelled out, so 1 by cos y, this we are getting. Now as you know that cos theta is equal to root under 1 minus sin square theta, so in place of cos y we can write 1 by cos y can be written as, with the help of this, root under 1 minus cos square y. And in the beginning of the question, x is equal to sine, sorry, not sine square y, it is sine square y. In the beginning of the question, x is equal to sine y, because y is equal to sine inverse x, because we have to find the differential coefficient of sine inverse x. So x is equal to sine y. So in place of sine y, we can write x. So here I am writing 1 upon root under 1 minus x square. This is sine square y. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 upon root under 1 minus x square. It means that this shows that, यहाँ पे आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, हम फिर कर देते हैं इसको. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 upon root under 1 minus x square. Therefore differential coefficient of sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon root under 1 minus x square. Therefore in place of y, I am writing sine inverse x, which is equal to 1 upon root under 1 minus x square. So this is the formula derived of this differential coefficient of sine inverse x from the first principle. So you have to, मगर आप लोग याद कर ही चुके होंगे, इसलिए कि एग्जामिनेशन काफी करीब है. In the same way आपको करना है differential coefficient of cos inverse x is equal to -1 upon root under 1 minus x square. ये लर्न कर लीजिएगा. I hope you will understand this video, and if you are understanding, please watch thoroughly, and please like, share and subscribe to the mathematicsrose channel. Now after completion of this, I will come to the topic of class 12. This is the class 12 topic, but it is the beginning. Earlier it was the class 12 topic. It is right now it is class 12 topic also, but now I am going to, in the next video I will discuss regarding the differential coefficient of tan inverse x and cot inverse x, and other you will have to learn it. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.